AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. It is the pinnacle of AI development, and it is also called mankind's final invention. Hello, my name is Choi Ji-ho, and Chun Yun-ho, and Kim Min-seo. We are students of Sungju University, and we major in electronics engineering. The path to AGI, there are two main paths to AGI. One is through closed source, and the other is through open source. One might wonder that whether AGI achieved through these two different ways might be any different. But this question is very important since it decides the capabilities of AGI and its transparency and ethical considerations. The concept of AI has become very similar to us only very recently, but the concept of AGI is actually quite old. Since in 1956, in Dartmouth College, Professor John McCarthy first introduced this term as a branch of computer science that enables machines to learn and solve questions in a human-like level. It is the reason that AI has taken so long to reach us, the mass public, is only because that there was a very large hindering factor, which was the lack of computing power. Did you know that this little device that we carry around so easily around these days contains more computing power than the entire world back in 1950s? The computing power has developed so much that we are not currently able to use this massive technology anywhere we want. So now we've seen what AI is, we have to understand how AI works. There are two main structures to AI. One is neural network, which is the basic structure of artificial intelligence. The other is the data, which is considered the most important part. The neural network is more of a mathematical equation. It is just a structure. The data, however, is the most important part. When you put the data inside the neural network changes its weights and bias to represent the data the best it can. So, in a sense, the neural network is a best representation of the data that is given. This is the main structure of how artificial intelligence works. Now, if you understand how AI works, one might think that AI is not really capable of really understanding what something is, since it's just a representation of the given data. And because of that, people doubt that AGI is even possible. But the human brain learning process isn't actually that different. In the sense of neurons, our brains, even the cognitive abilities that we use so easily, so complexly, is just neurons firing on and off in our brains. So it is not that different from the neural network trying to represent the data by turning on and off its biases and weights. This is how AGI is possible to mimic human intelligence and communication logics in this sense. So we're going to now explore how and what is closed source AI and open source AI and what the differences are, and Min-seo is going to show what the open source AGI can do.
Let's start with open source AI. Open source refers to systems or software that are made freely available to the public, allowing anyone to use and modify, distribute the source code. Open source has become driving force for innovation and collaboration. By making the advanced AI model accessible to a wider audience, by allowing researchers and developers from around the world to contribute to and benefit from advancement in the field. One of the most prominent example of open source is Llama series. The release of Llama as an open source AI model allowed lots of fine-tuned models like Mistral and Llama code for everyone to use. Open source promotes trust and transparency. By making the source code available for inspection, it allows for greater scrutiny and validation of AI system, which is crucial for ensuring their reliability and ethical use. Lastly, open source foster a vibrant community. It brings together diverse perspective and expertise, leading to richer discussions and more good solutions. Lastly, open source also has a disadvantage. Open source, a concern is lack of commercial support. So open source project rely on volunteers, so which can lead to inconsistency, support, and maintenance. In critical application, such as finance and healthcare, absence of professional support can be significant problems. People might encounter the problems that require immediate and expert attention.
Thank you, Mizu. Now I will introduce our closed source AI. Closed source AI is just like the word means, technologies that are not open from the public. So all the companies has the AI source or AI core and AI technologies. One major examples of closed AI is ChatGPT. And now I'm introduced about the advantages of closed AI and disadvantage of closed AI. Okay, first, closed AI can provide companies competitiveness. Yes. By keeping their AI core or AI technologies their own, companies can get some uniqueness from their market. This is important to some healthcare part or finance part or autonomous bank part. Okay, then second, closed source AI provide support and maintenance. All companies that provide their own closed AI often provide some regular update or security patches or individual helps. So it is important to clients who said, I never allow the downtime or failure of application. Okay, then moreover, data security is moreover, closed AI can provide data security by controlling all of the process of AI processing from data collecting to application update. They can get some they can get individuals information and group community of information, and then they can provide clients to individual security. Okay, then however, closed source AI has disadvantage too. It is ironically, closed information is some of disadvantage of closed source AI. Why? Closed information is the advantage of closed AI. However, it can be a disadvantage of closed AI. Okay. Almost closed source AI company provide closed AI that which is not often from the public or even from their clients. So it is hard to look in the reason why closed AI choose such a choice. For example, if some autonomous vehicle makes some problematic decision, then some people said this is rational. Then the other people said this is not rational. So it's hard to judge it right or wrong. It is disadvantage of closed source AI. Thank you.
In conclusion, AGI has two main paths of development, which all offers its advantages and the challenges. Open source AI has a larger community, allowing for freer development and larger contents. Closed source AI, on the other hand, provides higher security and more concentrated development in the industry's case. However, the true potential of AGI relies not only in one part of this development. It should be developed in a very collaborative spirit so that transparency and focused innovation and security can be won in AGI for our better benefits. Cooperation between these two sources will pave the way for a balanced and responsible development of AGI, ensuring that transformative technology is harnessed for the greater good. Thank you for your time. Are there any questions?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jiho.
와, 15분이네.
아, 저 PPT 그거 팍팍 해가지고.